What's up everybody and welcome back to another video. We are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, kind of for a short day. It's about noon, probably 12:30 right now. Yeah, 12:30. And the park closes at 5, but we also have a tropical storm that we got to drive back into tonight. So we got to keep an eye on that as we head back over to Tampa. So we're just gonna look around, look at the animals, and try and get on some rides.
Yep.
So we just made it into the park. We're walking up to the Tree of Life. And if you've been watching on Disney Plus, that Animal Kingdom series that they're doing, you'll know that there's vultures over here. So we're gonna go look at the vultures. There he is, the vulture from the Animal Kingdom show. Where'd his head go? Oh my God. Just as I stopped recording, he showed his head. There he is. Oh, it's gone again. You get the idea. There's also kangaroos in here. There's one, and oh, I think I went over too far. There's the other one. Pretty cool. And there's the other vulture. The size of this catfish. What is that? That's crazy. That is one big catfish. That'll eat you. That will literally eat you. We were just looking at the Peroon shark catfish. Definitely looks like a shark. All right, our first ride of the day is gonna be Kilimanjaro Safari. There they are, the safari trucks. We'll be on in probably a few minutes. We're pretty close to the line entrance.
Up above your head, you'll see the line truck guy. Hopefully with female kudu, since the males have horns, and some bongo, the reddish creature commonly called the ghost of the forest, since they blend in nicely with their surroundings. Both male and female bongo have, but they're hit very hard by poaching. There's only about 5,000 left in the world today. Some cultures believe their horns have long teeth. They usually spend most of their day in the water to keep from overheating, coming out primarily at night to feed on grass. And I've seen them sleeping underwater. Really good view of the pink-backed pelican also. As you can see, the hippos don't actually tend to swim. They walk on the riverbeds, growing 18 to 20 feet long. They can take down very large prey such as zebra and wildebeest. In a single meal, they can eat about half their body weight worth of food. He's allowing light there for the grasses to grow. Springbok, alien, wildebeest. Up his packs to run down prey. Now they're successful at hunting about a line of the canine family than your own pets in under an hour after being born, allowing them to nurse when they're told mothers or run from predators if needed. Get their name from their ability to spring about 6 feet in the air or 13 feet forward as they run. Also, a young one, probably under a year old, right off the road here. Dewlap. Dewlaps actually help keep them cool during the hot summer months. Also some mandrills off to our left, one of the largest variety of monkey in the world. Males weigh up to 100 pounds, females about 30 to 40. Well, I would like to see farms and sources of food. Naming those farms for that food often leads to bad outcomes for both the farm. Elephants don't like bees, they don't like being stung. So by adding beehives to farms, they can help protect both the farmer and the fruits are a lot. Definitely appears to be one of the eldest and largest ones in this herd. You might notice at the end of their trunk they have what's known as fillers, one on the top, one on the bottom. Actually, you get their coloration consistent with shrimp and other small crustaceans. They're most active at night when the females do the majority of the hunting. And the bonsabuck, a relative of the wildebeest, very rarely seen in the wild anymore, just on reserves like their tusks.
So we just got off of Kilimanjaro Safari. I hope you enjoyed all the animal footage.
Yeah, it was a good one.
It's getting a little dark. I think we're gonna get one of these outer bands, maybe.
Yeah.
But we're gonna try and get on Mount Everest, Expedition Everest.
Yep, let's go.
Look, it's the bubble girls back. Those are happy, joyous bubbles. Does everybody like bubbles? Oh, Merry Christmas!
We're by the Nemo show building, and this is the line all the way back here for Expedition Everest. So we're gonna go do something else.
What happened? It's just about the biggest mystery in the history of our planet.
Let's roll!
Okay, now let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
That was close. Computer, now what?
Carnotaurus.
That's it. Abort mission. Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! This is it! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you would, and guess who made it back with you? I better find him before security does. Thanks for everything!
So we just got off a Dinosaur. You kind of saw, it's kind of dark in there. We're gonna try Everest again. You guys saw the line earlier and it was super long, but it says it's only a 20-minute wait now, so we're gonna try and do that. It's the last ride we wanna do. Then we're gonna look at some of the merch, and then we might leave because we wanna try and beat out Tropical Storm Eta. She's coming ashore pretty close to where we live, so we wanna try and beat the weather. just got off of Expedition Everest, the great roller coaster. We're gonna go do a little bit of shopping at the main entrance to look for a couple things. Then we're gonna head out because that storm is coming in. So we'll catch you over by the main entrance. You can see the clouds starting to roll in. So we're gonna do a little bit of shopping and then we're gonna hit the road because it's getting dark on the horizon. One of the outer bands is rolling in right now. We're about to get slammed. So we're gonna try and make a run for the car. So I don't know if you can hear me, but that's gonna do it for our quick trip here. I always say that, but our quick trip here to Animal Kingdom. Like I've been saying throughout the video, we got to get home before Tropical Storm Eta comes in. It's kind of been pushing cells onto the coast by us, but it's gonna get worse throughout the night. So we hope you guys liked the video. We will be back to the Magic Kingdom on the 16th.
Next Monday.
So next Monday,
Yep.
just to check out the Christmas decorations and stuff. So we will see you guys next week. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you out on the next video.